Your next car could be the 2002 Chevrolet Corvette. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. If you've got it, flaunt it. The undeniably aggressive and sophisticated Corvette Grand Sport turns heads without apology. Its iconic style and thunderous power maximize your driving pleasure, whether on the road or on the track. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. There are those who dream and those who do. Don't just dream. Get behind the wheel of the Corvette Grand Sport.